Howdy, howdy, everybody. I am Clamhammer, Minecrafter, whatever I feel like playing. Today I want to look at some Redstone. On the server I play on with some friends, there's some questions about Redstone, so I figured I would start by making a little bit of basic video. First thing about Redstone is, forget about Redstone. This is the same thing as electricity. When I was in the military, I actually had to train airmen on wiring. Easiest way to understand wiring is think of it like water. If you look at this, and redstone is essentially wiring. If you look at this right here, it is no different than this right here. So we have a source block, and the water travels down. Here, you have a source block of, we'll call it power, electricity, redstone, and it travels down. The only difference is between the two is you do have a loss of power. You can easily see it here. If you look right here, so this tells you it's flowing water, and here's your level. So if you keep an eye on that, so see there it shows nothing because that's the source. 7, 6, and it's come all the way down here to 1. Redstone's the same way. There's our source, 15, 14, all the way down to 1. If I was to put one more here, see it shows power of 0. So that's your basics of the redstone. So now let's see if I can build something and explain it even more. I'll be right back. Alright, so we talked about how this is set up, how redstone has its distance. One of the first things that most people like to try to do with redstone is to make a door. So here's your two most basic doors. Pressure plate, door opens. Only problem is, let's say I'm a creeper. Boom, your place is gone. So that's usually kind of a no-go. Then we go to this one. This is pretty good. This is a push button. Pop through. Put one on the other side. You can get out. Just like that. Come in. Boom. Out the door. Good thing about this, you can still use it normally, but what's the point of having a redstone if you have to do it normally? Then you move into piston doors. This is your simple piston door. Come in. On your way out, uses a pressure plate. Goes out. This isn't all that complicated. This is the circuitry. This is all it is. Very simple. So push the button, fires the repeater, it's got a delay, gives you time to get through. On the way out, we got redstone that's going underneath that pressure plate up into a repeater on delay, which lets you get through. Well, if you time it right. And out the door. Simple as that. Redstone's not hard, but it just takes a little bit of time. If you guys like this, I can keep going and try to come up with some different things to do to show. You can use the basic circuitry. I can go through and start showing basic clocks, basic circuitry that I use on the server. Then you take those components, link them together, and you can end up with whatever you want. It's really simple. We can build it together. I'm Clamhammer, and I'm out.